Hey, my friend DK here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to this myEcon business review for 2025. If you're watching this video, you're hoping to learn more about myEcon or myself or our team and how we are the largest, fastest growing team inside of myEcon. If you want any more information about what you see on your screen, myEcon, or all the information inside of this playlist, link in the description down below this video. It will take you right here to the screen that I am on right now, and you'll see all of the videos in this playlist. It's very, very important that you watch all of these videos in order and make sure that you understand how they're supposed to flow in the videos that you can see. Okay. That being said, let's dive into today's video. In some of the past couple of videos, we've gone through some of the core products inside of myEcon, like the income shifting, like the credit repair program. Today, we're just going to keep moving along inside of the myEcon carousel here, looking at all their products and services for 2025. And now we're going to dive into the travel membership. Now, I have so many other videos with the myEcon travel membership here on my channel. So I'm just going to go through and I'm going to give you a quick overview of the travel program and let you know about some things that you should be aware of so you could take massive advantage of that. So once you become a member with myEcon, now you need to, in order to get access to the travel site, okay, what you're going to do is you're going to need to make sure that you're at the EBM level, which is the Elite Business Membership level. That's the higher membership level. It's $59 a month. And then you will get access to the myEcon travel membership, also known as Zingo Travel. This is an exclusive travel site for myEcon. Now, I've gone through a lot of other trainings where I dive fully in depth into this travel engine, but you can get very, very huge, significant discounts with the myEcon travel membership. So let me give you a couple of highlights here in this video. Okay. Number one, this travel membership is going to give you up to 70% off retail prices. And I've gone through, I've done price comparisons between this and travel sites like Trivago or Priceline or Expedia. And the Zingo or myEcon travel membership wins every single time. You have to realize that all of the travel engines out there, they all circle back to about 2 or 3 private companies, okay? So the travel engines that, like myEcon uses, or even Travelocity, Expedia, Trivago, those sort of things, those are all white labeled from a parent company. And it's the same thing here with myEcon. The difference is, and this is what a lot of people don't know about travel engines, is that based on the company, you get to pay a certain priced tier or a certain price per member. myEcon pays the most amount of money so you can save the most amount of money. And that's why when you do price comparisons, one travel engine versus another, you get to see, but with your own eyes, you really get to see the different pricing tiers that specific travel engine or that specific company is able to offer you. And that's why myEcon is able to make the guarantee that they do. So first, when you use the myEcon travel membership, you can get up to 70% off with that. Okay. Now, other thing that you get to do is you get to accrue points. Every single time you book travel, you earn points. So it doesn't matter if you're earning points from booking a cruise, a rental car, a hotel, a flight, whatever it is. Every single time you book travel through this engine, you're going to earn points. You can turn around and you can redeem those points for free travel. Yes, if you earn enough points, you could be booking free trips. It's really awesome. Last thing I want to talk to you about, well, not the last thing, but one of the most important things here is with this travel engine, they have a price match guarantee. So if you find a cheaper price elsewhere, if you're booking travel and you're comparing the myEcon travel membership to things like Travelocity, Expedia, Trivago, and you find a cheaper price elsewhere, this travel membership will pay you the difference. You're not going to find that with the bigger travel engines. You're just not. So those are 3 really cool things that you get with this travel membership. Now, I also want to throw in there that there's some other hidden gems inside of this travel membership. You also have over here in the lifestyle section, and again, you're not going to find this in the big name travel engines. When you go here to, okay, I'm going to show you 2 things. You're going to go to restaurant savings. This is really, really cool. It's just going to take a second for this to load, but you're going to be able to buy restaurant gift cards literally for pennies on the dollar. You can see right here, you can buy $100 gift card for $12.49, meaning you get $100 that you could spend at a restaurant for literally 12 bucks. It's absolutely insane. And those other big name travel engines don't have this. myEcon is partnered with this restaurant dealer here, and they're partnered. This restaurant dealer here is partnered. You can see it right here with over 18,000 restaurants across the country. A lot of these are brand name restaurants. So as you're out there, as you're traveling and you're in those big cities, those major destinations, you're going to find a lot of these restaurants. And, whether it's, an IHOP, a Cracker Barrel, a T-Bones, any of those big steakhouses, the Longhorns, or anything along those lines, you're going to be able to buy these gift cards and use them at those restaurants and save massive amounts of money. Okay. Another thing I want to do is take you over here to shopping rewards. Again, this is something that those big name travel engines do not have. You have your very own shopping savings mall here, so to speak. So as an example, if you wanted to save on things like automotive, if you needed an oil change for your car, you could come right in here to the online shopping mall, the savings mall, okay? And you could scroll on down, you could go to something like Valvoline, and you could bring this up and you could save, I think it's like 15 or 20% off of your next oil change, $10 off, okay, an oil change right here, okay? You could literally print this out and you could take this and save money when you go get an oil change. Again, are the other big name travel engines going to offer you these additional savings on top of just saving on travel? So plain and simple, the myEcon travel membership is not only going to help you save money on travel, you can earn points, you get the price match guarantee, but you also get those other hidden gems in there as well. So it's a really awesome perk as part of your myEcon membership. So hope you got value from this video. If you did, please do me a favor. Be sure to like this video. If you made it to this point in the video, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, ring that bell and get notified anytime I upload new content here to the channel. You, my friend, will be the first to know. If at this point, if you haven't gotten started in myEcon, link in the description down below. Get yourself started. Lock in any of those join membership prices. It doesn't matter. There's 3 of them to choose from. They're all under $100, and you could get access to this incredible travel membership and over $11,000 in free value just by activating your membership. And of course, that is covered right here in our playlist. So make sure, link in the description down below as well. If you haven't watched the other videos here in this playlist, go do that now. Thank you for watching, my friend, and I'll see you on the next one.